Hi, I was sent these work gloves from a company called Schwer. If that's pronounced correctly, I don't know, but it's spelled S-C-H-W-E-R. They come in packs of 3, 6, 12, 24, 36, even 240 if you take a look on Amazon. They seem to be reasonably priced, so let's just see exactly what they look like. Each one of them is pretty well packaged here. One pair. Two pairs. Third pair. So these are large. Call it size 9, large. The model number is LT5619. So let's give them a try. So the large fits me very snug, which I think is probably a good thing. Very form-fitting. They advertise them as work gloves with certified level 6 abrasion resistance with these micro dots. They also say you can use these with your touch screen, so let's give that a try. It's all fingers work. While being really form-fitting, it's got good grip on everything. You can see, talk about cut resistance. There's not a mark on them doing this. I'm sure they're not puncture resistance, but nothing's getting marked here. For me, I'll be using it for trimming trees, as well as our palms, which do have a lot of thorns. So I think that's going to work really good. So as far as gardening, woodworking, if you ever cut yourself in the past, that should work well. And like I say, have really good grip, and they, they're almost skin fitting. Everything feels great. Use it for electrical. You still can grab things. Use it for writing, so they work great. And even, say, picking up small things and screwing this in, or using nails and hammers. So I think I really like these gloves. Now going through, like I said, they're safety work gloves certified, that they're 5 times more durable than typical work gloves. The raised nitrile dots give you good grips, reinforced coating, they give you abrasion, breathable, comfortable, and they are. You can use it in many, they say, oil and wet grip. As mentioned, I'll be using them for many purposes. Woodworking, to be safe when near things that could cut you, working on the RV, working on the truck, doing gardening, outdoor tree trimming, and probably just general things around the house or the shop. If you're a warehouse worker, I think these will be great because, again, they have breathable material, great grip. Won't slide at all, picking up big boxes. So I think these will be my go-to gloves. They do come in small, medium, large, and extra large. I got large, and I love the fit. They're nice and snug, so that you can practically do anything with them. So as I mentioned, I think they're going to be nice gloves. I think the best that I ever had. Other gloves I've had didn't have all these features. Hopefully this review was somewhat helpful to you. going to be using them for a long time, I think. For a reasonable price, I would highly recommend these.